As the Samsung Galaxy S24 series nears its expected launch on January 17, 2024, rumors and leaks have become more frequent. Nowadays, the leaks even detail the minute changes in the camera, design, and performance of the upcoming Galaxy flagship smartphones. Similarly, the famous tipster Ice Universe confirmed the presence of a 50 megapixels mode for its 5x telephoto lens, which would result in high-resolution output. Precisely, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 5x telephoto lens would be able to capture photos of 6120 by 8160 pixels. These detailed photos would be much more crisp and detailed in comparison with their predecessors, including the S23 Ultra. The previous generation Galaxy S23 Ultra launched with a 10 megapixels 3x optical zoom lens and another 10 megapixels telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom. So this time, the Korean giant is expected to come with a 200 megapixels primary sensor, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera, a 50 megapixels telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and a 12 megapixels sensor with 10x zoom. Apart from the high-resolution photos, the 50 megapixels telephoto lens could support recording 8K videos with 5x optical zoom. Moreover, there will be a new AI feature called Object Aware Engine, along with other delicacies using the AI prowess. The upcoming Galaxy S24 lineup are expected to include camera enhancements powered by AI as part of the One UI 6.1 update. One of these advancements is an AI-driven capability that allows users to remove subjects from their video clips. Additionally, there will be an on-device AI chatbot integrated into the devices. The Galaxy S24 is rumored to be capable of gathering information from calls, while the premium option in the lineup, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, is anticipated to offer a night mode feature. Noted tipster Bennett Brunner Pro has highlighted AI improvements that we can expect from the Galaxy S24 series through One UI 6.1. According to the tipsters, information users will have access to an AI-based functionality that enables them to erase subjects from their videos simply by selecting them, a feature similar to Google Pixel 8's Magic Eraser tool. While Samsung's flagship camera phones have always been highly preferred by users for their vibrant image processing capabilities compared to Google Pixel's more natural approach, there have been rumors that the company plans to make changes to the image processing technology used in its Galaxy devices, starting with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The goal is to achieve a realistic appearance. Samsung is making changes to the software algorithm in the cameras of their Galaxy S24 Ultra. Working in conjunction with the image signal processor found in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, these updates will result in photos that appear true to life compared to those taken with previous Galaxy models like the S23 Ultra. It seems that Samsung is taking a cue from Google's approach of prioritizing looking images with their Pixel 8 devices. Samsung has been known for applying sharpening to photos taken by their camera phones, especially when utilizing zoom capabilities. However, with the S24 Ultra, they have acknowledged that improvements are being made to this area for outcome. Additionally, it has been mentioned that AI processing will be employed for video capture on the Galaxy S24 series to enhance low light performance, reduce graininess, and improve stability and exposure. The devices might also have the ability to intelligently expand photo borders using AI technology. As per reports suggest that an on-device AI chatbot will be introduced which would extract information from calls and provide recommendations such as adding tasks to your calendar or to-do list. In my previous video, it was revealed that Samsung plans to change the default resolution of the sensor on the S24 Ultra to 24 megapixels, a doubling from its predecessor's 12 megapixels resolution. Now for those excited, we're going to run through the full specs design and the price for each model in this 24 series to help you guys decide which one is right for you. Now for my regular viewers, you guys have seen this, so just skip to the next video, but if you're new here, then hit subscribe button for future updates too. Now we'll get right into it. The standard Galaxy S24 is coming with a 6.2-inch, 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display. We get a resolution of 2340 by 1080, and it's going to be using Samsung's new N13 OLED panels protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 with an Armor Aluminium 2.0 protection. We get a 12 megapixels punch hole camera for the selfies. Then on the rear, it's a 50 megapixels primary camera, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide, and a 10 megapixel telephoto, and of course it's going to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in South Korea and USA. while European users are going to be getting the Exynos 2400. We get 8 gigs of RAM and a choice of 128 or 256 gig storage, and this is going to be a UFS 4.1. It comes with a 4,000 mAh battery, and while having a 25 watts fast charging. We do know that we're getting 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Now it's coming with One UI 6 based on Android 14, and it's expected to launch from about $850 to $900, and that's going to be in February 2024. Now next up, we've got the Galaxy S24 Plus with a 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display. We get an upgraded Quad AT Plus resolution of 3120 by 1440, and it's going to be using Samsung's new M13 OLED panel, and again protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 with an Armor Aluminium 2.0 protection. We get a 12 megapixels punch hole camera for the selfies, then on the rear again, it's a 50 megapixels primary, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide, and a 10 megapixel telephoto. It's going to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in South Korea and USA, and again Europe users are going to get the Exynos 2400, and again we get 12 gigs of RAM, then the choice of 256 or 512 gig storage, which will be UFS 4.1. It comes with a 4,900 mAh battery, while having 45 watts fast charging, and again we get 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. It's coming with One UI 6 based on Android 14, and it's expected to launch from about $1,050. Now finally, we've got the most premium, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. With this 24 Ultra, we got a 6.8 in 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display. It's got a resolution of 3088 by 1440, and again, it's using Samsung's new M13 OLED panel protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. We get a 12 megapixels punch hole camera for the selfies. Then on the rear, it's a 200 megapixels primary camera, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide, we get a 50 megapixels 3x telephoto, as well as a 10 megapixels telephoto with 10 times optical zoom. Despite previous rumors it's going to be powered up by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in all regions, and it's only this 24 and this 24 Plus that is still going to be using the Exynos, and with this 24 Ultra, we get up to 12 gigs of RAM with the choice of 256 or 512 gig storage, and this is of course UFS 4.1. It comes with a 5,000 mAh battery, and while having 45 watts fast charging, and we're also going to get 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Now it's coming with One UI 6 based on Android 14, and it's expected to launch from $1,250. So overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra brings a fresh design with more strength and much brighter display. On top of upgraded hardware in lots of new A features, the inclusion of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in all models of the Ultra feels like a good move from Samsung, and with upgrades across the whole lineup, it should see plenty of success. Now, because of the similarities to the predecessor, though it's probably not going to make anyone with an S23 Ultra rush for an upgrade, but for anyone with an older S phone or looking to get their first S phone, then it's going to be a great choice. Now, of course, being so close to launch, more and more details are going to continue to come in, and I'm going to be sharing them as soon as they do. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing in the future. So overall, there are plenty of AI features coming with the upcoming S24 lineup. Which one is your favorite feature? Let us know it down below in the comments section, and for more updates you can check out our channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.